Making money from crypto arbitrage involves capitalizing on price discrepancies of the same cryptocurrency across different exchanges. Here's a concise guide. Arbitrage basics. Buy cryptocurrency at a lower price on one exchange and sell it at a higher price on another, profiting from the price difference. Choose exchanges. Select multiple exchanges with significant trading volumes, such as Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, and Bitfinex. Account setup. Create and verify accounts on these exchanges and deposit funds into each account to facilitate quick trades. Price tracking tools. Use tools like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or specialized arbitrage software like CryptoHopper and Gimmer to monitor real-time price differences. Set alerts. Configure alerts for significant price discrepancies using APIs or price alert services. Identify opportunities. When a price difference is detected, buy the cryptocurrency on the exchange where the price is lower. Sell quickly. Immediately sell the purchased cryptocurrency on the exchange where the price is higher. Transaction fees. Consider trading fees, withdrawal fees, and deposit fees when calculating potential profits. Transfer speed. Ensure that you can transfer funds quickly between exchanges to avoid price changes during transfers. Use bots. Employ trading bots to automate the process, ensuring faster and more accurate execution of arbitrage opportunities. Liquidity. Ensure there is enough liquidity on both exchanges to execute large trades without impacting prices. Market volatility. Be aware of market volatility and potential regulatory changes that can affect arbitrage opportunities.